Hey, I'm back. Right now, I've got to take all the these panels off right here, and then I'll start painting this. Excuse me, sanding this, and then sanding this down afterwards. So let me go ahead and get started. I don't know what kind of tool this is. It's a cheap little tool, but it's put different wrench sizes on it. It's pretty neat. It's different. I got it off of a Chinese website, but hey, for you blow me, it does its job. And one thing that I need to ensure is that I get all these bolts and stuff and nuts back on here because I don't know about y'all, but I tend to lose them. So either way, and this is my first attempt to make a video, so y'all can clown on me if you want. It don't matter to me. It's okay. You know, when I was younger, I was fascinated with cars, but I never took the time to learn how to make cars or how to work on cars. I was too busy working as a kid, and being working in with cars wasn't my thing at the time, and wish I did. So I mean, I'm retired now, so I have to find things to take up my time. But at 48 years old, I went ahead and I got my first vehicle. So as far as first old car, let me get these few bolts off right here. And started watching a lot of car restoration shows. I like them. I like more of the Chad Hiltz, Bad Chad type car restoration shows. Now I've liked them all, but still, that's the one he's caught my eye. For the simple fact is he's a DIY, do-it-yourself type person. A lot of people ain't got money, so he wants people to do it the cheapest way they can, and you do it at your pace, and you be satisfied with it. You don't worry about anybody else. You know, like I say, you got to find these screws. A lot of People today, they care what other people think a lot of times. Yes, it's okay to care what people think, but you have to do things for yourself. If you don't do them for yourself, or you don't take care of yourself, you worry about everybody else, you're going to see a lot of failures in your life. And yeah, I've had a lot of things that I've had to change in my life, but you know something? The Lord's blessed me with that, and by far. So I'm just about done with these screws, and once I get them all on here, I'll go ahead and I'll start sanding everything down. Oye, mami, ¿qué pasó?
No, nada, ¿por qué?
Bien, muy bien, así, así.
Bien, gracias.
Yeah, that's my next door neighbor. She doesn't speak very little English, but hell, you know, that's why the Lord's blessed me to learn Spanish. I don't speak it fluently, but I should definitely get by more than most people do, because do we want them to come over here and learn? You're dang skippy. But on the other hand, we don't have to learn their language, but you know something, if you do, it makes them feel more at home. Right? Hopefully you could be that one American that helps them want to make them learn, instead of just being here speaking the native language that they came. Her family's from Cuba, but she's been here quite a few years. But hey, that's okay. More power to them. All right, they came over here. They're busting their cans, and that's all it takes. Now, another thing is I had to start learning the hard way. Start putting up your tools in. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera for a few minutes, and I'm gonna get the sander set up.